Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to connect any Bluetooth headphones to Xbox One. So let's get started. First thing first, the connecting Bluetooth headphones to an Xbox One or Xbox One X is challenging due to the console's lack of native Bluetooth support for audio output. This limitation means most Bluetooth headphones won't directly connect without additional adapters or accessories. Only a limited range of officially licensed options are compatible, making it a frustrating experience for many users who prefer Bluetooth headphones. So now in order to do that, you will have to insert the Squish Bluetooth transmitter into the 3.5 mm aux port on your Xbox controller. Power on the transmitter by pressing and holding the button for at least 3 seconds or until you see blue and red LEDs flashing. Turn on your Bluetooth headphones, then activate pairing mode on your headphones by pressing and holding the pairing button. Once paired, the Bluetooth transmitter's LED indicator will display a solid blue light indicating a successful connection. Then your Bluetooth headphones are now fully connected to your Xbox One, allowing you to enjoy game audio through them. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.